so another new product, so we'll just show you quickly how to install this, and obviously you can see the difference on quality when we show you on a video rather than a picture. So genuine carbon fibre overlays for the dash, again just sticky on, really nice. So we'll just show you on this one, which obviously works with the opening glove box. It's going to go there basically. It's not much of an install video because you all know how to stick these on by now. So first of all, the old alcohol wipe. I'm going to give it a good clean up and then put a bit of a promoter on there as well. So we'll just get that open. So as always, good wipe around the edges. Always watching where the glue is basically on the edges there, so you can see they're all the way around the edge and then one line down the middle. So obviously we'll give it a bit of a wipe there, and we're also going to wipe all the way around the edges. There we go. So that just cleans off, and then we'll do a bit with the alcohol promoter, which is this one. Now obviously on these, only use this if you're ever never going to take it back off again, because they do basically, they mat off this edge here, so it isn't the best to get off. So we'll just wipe that on there. Make sure you don't get it on any of your dash because they do leave marks with these promoters. And we'll just wipe that there and down the edge, and we can just let that dry off. So obviously we're just going to peel that. Probably the longest bit. Quite satisfying doing that. And that's it guys, so we're basically just going to make sure we get it over that edge there and on there, and just going to press it down. Now obviously if you've got the opening glove box, it's going to ping open at this point. You're just going to pull it basically over there just to make sure you get it completely flat down all the way around, and give it a good press down. Basically guys, that's it. So obviously we're going to do the same on this side. I won't peel the glue because it's just a bit of a lengthy process for you guys, but on this one it is quite tricky. Now what we found is, if you go in down on that angle there, you can see in dropping it down, you can just, I won't do it now because I've got to get it back out again, you can drop it down on that angle there. So again, I'll just peel the tape. Okay, so all peeled. We'll just make sure that's stuck down there. So like I said again, I've got the steering wheel pulled all the way down and obviously out, and what I did is I've pulled it down there, just give it a little gentle in there, and you can see it goes through, and then obviously start at this end. And there we go, as easy as that. So you can buy these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, sharing, subscribing, etc. Until next time. Cross out the ones who hurt my